Hey guys, this is Tyler. Most of my people call me Trey, but either names work. I'm gonna show you guys how to trade using the moving averages. It's a good way to trade in case you don't have a good strategy, but let me just first guide you on how to set it up. So first of all, we have two moving averages. It's EMA, both EMAs. It's 50 and 20 moving average. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you how the moving averages work. In case you don't know how to use them. So first of all, you have to know which trend you're in order to take a certain trade. So as you can see here, we're in a short sell trade. So because we can see by this, let me just indicate. We can see by this. Let me just do that. Okay, let me just do that. These are indicating that we are in a short sell trade, because you can see that every time the candlesticks go out of the moving averages, it quickly comes back. So there's gonna be few indications that it will be going down soon. As you can see, this is the 15 minutes time frame. These two candlesticks, this green and red candlesticks, are called railroad track. So even if you're not using the moving averages, you can be able to track using the candlestick formation strategy. I'll be sending it into my group soon, but you can be able to see that we're in a downtrend. Okay, so it means we are gonna take sell trades on the lower time frame. All right, so that's where the strategy comes. So you can see, you can take this trade either a swing trade or just short scalps in the lower time frames, maybe 1 minute or time frame, or 15 minutes time frame. So yeah, it's very profitable, guys. Let me just show you other examples. Oh, this is also a good trade. You can if you saw that, this is also another kind of candlestick formation. As you can see here, we have a shooting star, and then here it's a bit of a bearish movement. It's gonna drop down to there, so we can take that as well. So let's just see. Oh, again, here there's I took volatility 100. I took volatility 100. It was a bit of a long trade. It was pretty good. It's a pretty good trade. As you can see, I used the moving averages. Simply done. I used the moving averages. So I took it in more of a bigger time frame. So I'll be closing it soon enough. So let's just see if we can find other opportunities on how to use this strategy. All right. So let's just see. Okay, now we have buy movement on crash 300. If you can see that, it's a buy movement, because if you can see the strategy, it made let me just circulate one, and the second one will be here. See, so we can see that it's making just short pullbacks and higher highs, and it's more of a trading analysis that we can use to trade the market. So when you're trading derivative, you have to use a combination of different kind of strategies, because as you can see here, I have mine, the Bollinger Bands and moving averages. It's very profitable, but right now we just have to focus. We will be focusing on the moving averages only. So let me just show you the expected movement which can come. All right, so it can do something like this. Once it reaches that high, it can do something like this, and then it can go back again up to there, and yeah, somewhere there it can do this kind of movement. So it's a good trade to take, as long as you're using risk management. I don't think you'll be able to blow your account. Let me just screenshot that. All right, so if you can see, in short, just to summarize this, how the strategy works using the moving averages, it basically means whenever it's pulling back, it will give you indication of a candlestick movement. If you can see, we have railroad tracks again. If you can see that, that's railroad track, and then we have bullish movements and going up as an impulse. So it's very good strategy to take. So you can use it in 15 minutes or in H4 or H1, in case you want to trade, in case you want to do swing trades. So it's very profitable. So let's just see other opportunities now. So first of all, before you take any trade on this strategy, you have to know which trend you're in. Okay, so that you can be able to take more trades on the lower time frame. All right, so let's do it now. Let's find our lower low points. So first of all, we have this one, that's our low, and we have another low here. Basically, I'm just indicating the low points, because if we have something like if it reached down to there, then we wouldn't be having any uptrend. It will be a straight trend or a downward trend. So this is basically what we're looking for, so that we can be able to take the next trade. So let's say this things hasn't happened yet, and then there's this low and there's this higher lower, and I'll be able to know that, okay, I'll be looking to take a buy trade soon. So I'll just join up in my group, so you can be able to see how we trade, and more signals for you guys, so you can grow your accounts and make money. So all right guys, Tyler, I'm out.